It's day 25 of Advent of Code, and I think ChatGPT will be able to solve it. It's a very simple problem, so I will take the problem description, put it here, and say input file is attached. So I will attach the input file, and let's wait for ChatGPT to solve it. So yeah, it's counting the heights of each column, which makes sense. And then, yeah, that's the result. 3,483 was super easy, super fast for ChatGPT to solve. So we have day 25 solved by ChatGPT completely, because the second part is just a story. So yeah, ChatGPT was quite successful this year. It didn't solve all the days, but it was quite successful. There are, I think, 2 or 3 days where it didn't solve any part of the problem, but on other days it was at least able to solve one part of the problem. So definitely a significant improvement over the last year's results. And it's very likely that these results would be even better if we were using ChatGPT with the O1 or O1 Pro model, or ultimately O3, which is the best beast currently. So I think these results are to be taken with a grain of salt. And technically, you can also see the results in the leaderboards, where you can see for individual problems where AIs had problems. For example, on day 24, this is definitely a human solution, because you can see on the ones that are solvable by AI, those are solved in seconds of the problem being published. So when you see the numbers being large like this, it's definitely not AI solving it, and it means that AI was not able to solve it, but otherwise someone would post the solution based on an AI solution. So yeah, thank you for joining me for the whole event, for the whole Advent of Code event. I really enjoyed it. I hope I will be back for next year's event as well. So stay tuned for that on my channel, and stay tuned for other videos that I will be publishing on .NET, the cross-platform application development using Uno platform, and other things that are my vibe. So see you next time, and until then, have a great year of 2025, and also enjoy the holidays